Developing tonight, a battle over the Harris County bail system. Law enforcement says it puts bad guys right back out on the street again. But a federal class action lawsuit claims the system is unconstitutional and unfairly targets people who can't pay a bond.
Channel 2's Phil Archer is live downtown explaining this legal battle for us now. Phil?
Yeah, well, Harris County's misdemeanor bail bond system was declared unconstitutional 2 years ago by federal Judge Lee Rosenthal. Today, the judge heard final arguments in a proposed settlement to replace the old system and to end a long-running lawsuit. But there's still broad disagreement over what that settlement should look like. The suit supporters say the old bond system punishes the poor, forcing misdemeanor defendants unable to pay bond awaiting trial to simply languish in jail.
There are 8,000 human beings in the Harris County Jail tonight, right now, as we talk today, this afternoon. Many of them are there just because they can't pay monetary bail.
A settlement to the lawsuit approved by Harris County commissioners requires that most misdemeanor defendants must be released on personal recognizance bonds that don't require cash payment. That's the practice currently followed by the county's misdemeanor courts.
Somebody's income ought to not determine whether or not they're innocent. Simply the ability to pay bail does not make a community safer.
But critics, including D.A. Kim Ogg and Houston Police Chief Art Acevedo, contend that doesn't do enough to protect the public. An example brought up in court, the case of 17-year-old Brandon Bell, who jumped bond on a criminal trespass charge without being penalized, then went on an alleged crime spree that ended when he allegedly shot and seriously wounded a Houston police officer.
That person got their bond on an automatic basis because the underlying factors of the case about how there had been some serious allegations that were in the system were not addressed. A judge should be looking at these.
The proposed settlement addresses that by requiring misdemeanor suspects charged with crimes like family violence or multiple DWIs must appear before a magistrate judge who can decide to hold them without bond. The settlement also includes other things from the county, extra funding to provide legal representation and money to set up a text message system to remind defendants when they're due for court. The judge has also already given preliminary approval to the settlement. She did not indicate today when she would issue her final decree. Reporting live at the federal courthouse, I'm Phil Archer, KPRC Channel 2 News.
Phil, thank you.